Back in November, I visited the Murtala Muhammed International Airport here in Lagos to document the ongoing rehabilitation and redevelopment works. At that time, a lot was still happening behind barricades, especially around the proposed temporary terminal. Fast forward to February 2026 and I decided to come back, not for assumptions or press releases, but to actually see how far work has progressed on ground. In this video, we'll be focusing mainly on the temporary terminal, which is a key part of the entire airport rehabilitation plan, and also take a look at other ongoing works across the airport environment. If you care about infrastructure, aviation, and how Nigeria's busiest international airport is being reworked, this video is for you. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Murtala. Today I am back at the Murtala Muhammed International Airport in Lagos to show you an update of the reconstruction work ongoing presently right here. So guys, stick around with me as I take you around to see what has been done. I was here some couple of weeks ago, I think about 2 months ago if I'm not mistaken, and I was able to show you what was ongoing. From that time to now, a lot has changed, and I will be showing you what has changed and what the airport is now looking like. Presently, the temporary terminal is almost rounding up and is going to be opening soon. I'll also be taking you there to see what is happening with the temporary terminal. One thing to understand is that the rehabilitation of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport (MMIA) is being done in phases, and the temporary terminal is not just an add-on, it is central to the entire plan. This temporary terminal is being set up primarily for departures, and once it becomes operational, activities currently happening at Terminal 1 will be relocated here. That relocation will then allow full rehabilitation works to begin properly at Terminal 1 without disrupting flight operations. In simple terms, no temporary terminal, no serious rehabilitation. Compared to my November visit, the level of progress here is very obvious. Back then, most of what we saw were structural works, skeletal frames, and early installations. But as of this February visit, a lot has been achieved. The temporary terminal is now almost completed, with only a few finishing touches left. So guys, I'm presently inside the temporary terminal, which is going to be strictly for departure. The last time I was here about 2 months ago, I was just barely starting. Kicks out to now, which is February 2026, and you can see the massive difference. So in a couple of weeks, the Terminal 1 will be shut down for full upgrading and reconstruction, while this place will be fully in use. Most of the staff will be moving here. So the T2, the Terminal 2 and the temporary terminal is what they will basically be using, while the Terminal 1 is fully under construction. So guys, this is how the new temporary terminal is presently looking like, and hopefully it should be completed in a couple of weeks. From what I observe on ground, in the next couple of weeks, major works here should be wrapped up and preparation will begin for staff and airline relocation. The temporary terminal itself is designed to be functional, efficient and fast to deploy. This is not meant to be a permanent solution, but it has to work well enough to handle international departures while Terminal 1 is shut down for rehabilitation. From what's visible, most of the core infrastructure is already in place: flooring, ceilings, electrical fittings and internal layouts. What remains now are mainly finishing touches, installations and operational setups. Based on information available, about 5 to 6 airlines are expected to move their departure operations to this temporary terminal once it becomes active. This will significantly reduce pressure on the existing terminal and allow rehabilitation work to move at full speed. Beyond the terminal building itself, supporting infrastructure is also being put in place. A temporary car park has been created to serve passengers using this terminal. What's interesting is the new road networks that now connect directly to this car park, helping to manage traffic flow and reduce congestion within the airport environment. This shows that the project is not just about buildings, but also about how people move through the airports. The rehabilitation of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport (MMIA) is happening in two major phases. Phase 1 is the full remodeling and rehabilitation of Terminal 1. This will involve extensive structural, mechanical and aesthetics upgrade. Phase 2 focuses on Terminal 2, which will see an extension of the finger and also an extension of the apron area to accommodate more and bigger aircraft and also improve turnaround time. This upgrade, when completed, should significantly improve passengers' experience and airport efficiency. Another important project currently ongoing is the construction of a skywalk. This skywalk will link Terminal 2 directly to the existing car park, improving pedestrian movement and reducing surface level congestion. It's one of those small but critical pieces of infrastructure that can greatly improve user experience once completed. The Murtala Muhammed International Airport redevelopment is one of those projects where progress is being understood by physically visiting the site. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more on infrastructural development across Nigeria. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.